I think it's very, very impressive for 80 years old bank to be embracing some of the frontier technology like blockchain and stuff. And that's why actually it brings us to a lot of interest that, how did even KBank start on this journey? Because I think I visited you guys in Thailand before, and I see you have Project Oblix and a lot of Q Money apps and a lot of different small project innovation on the blockchain frontiers. And now KBank has become one of the partners in Project Bloom, which is the MAS evolution of Project Orchid into the next phase itself. So what do you think is the strategic value that's building in this direct payment link which Singapore offers us in terms of KBank?
I think on blockchain transaction, it is made payment and settlement very close to zero time gap. In the past, people can make payment and the settlement will be done later. Maybe, for example, like in the Thai local payment loops, it will be done every hour in Thai baht. And then for the foreign transaction, it can be done, depends on the transaction loop. It can be done in at the end of the days or maybe T+2 or so on, depend on the channel that they use. So the payment and the settlements using blockchain can be reduced to be seconds. That is the technology themselves. Secondly, I think we talk about why banks need to do it. It's not just bank, but I think it's for the regulated entities. Because it's financial transaction, people would like to make sure that their transactions are done by or help service by a trusted person. It can be banks, it can be StraitsX that is part of the license of MAS. So these are the key ingredients. It's just not just about the technologies, it's about the right person, right entities to cooperate together. And lastly, it's the regulator. Think about this, again, I talked about this yesterday, that imagine like not money but people, we fly from Singapore to Bangkok. The airplane itself is better, faster, but the immigration, maybe getting out of Singapore, getting into Bangkok, imagine if it's still the same as 20 years ago. It will not faster. So we need the KYCs, the regulation, the process before things get authorized to be faster as well. So we require the right technologies, the right partner, regulated partners, and also the regulators. That's why we work together, become part of the Bloom project, because we wanted to make sure that MAS and Bank of Thailand see the potential and will help us, I would say, facilitate the right regulations such that it will be benefit for both countries.